Did you know that over 70% of people believe in the power of angel numbers to help manifest their dreams? It's fascinating how something as simple as a number can have such a profound impact on our lives. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into a really interesting topic, angel number 830. If you've been seeing this number pop up in your life, you might be wondering what it means and how it relates to manifesting your dreams. Well, you're in the right place. Angel numbers, like the one we're discussing today, are said to be messages from the universe or your angels, guiding you towards your higher purpose and helping you unlock your potential. So, let's set the stage for a deeper exploration of angel number 830 and its significance in your manifestation journey. Now, let's talk about something that many of us experience: the struggle to manifest our dreams. You know, it can be frustrating when you've got big goals, but feel stuck or unsure of how to achieve them. Whether it's your career, relationships, or personal growth, it's common to hit roadblocks along the way. Sometimes, we get caught up in self-doubt or lose motivation, making it hard to take those necessary steps forward. But here's the good news. You are not alone. The universe has your back, and it communicates with you in mysterious ways, one of them being angel numbers. These repeating number sequences are like gentle whispers from the divine, offering guidance, encouragement, and reassurance. Today, we are focusing on the potent angel number 830. But before we decode its message, let's understand what makes angel numbers so special. Angel numbers are more than just coincidences. They carry vibrational frequencies that resonate with our own energy. When you repeatedly see a specific number sequence, it's a sign that your angels are trying to communicate with you. They're offering you guidance and support on your journey. All right. Now let's break down the angel number 830 to understand its components and what they mean for you. The number 8 is all about abundance, power, and inner strength. It encourages you to tap into your personal power and pursue your dreams with confidence. Think of it as the universe reminding you of your limitless potential. Then we have the number 3, which resonates with creativity, communication, and growth. It's a reminder to express yourself authentically and be open to new ideas and experiences. It's about embracing your unique voice and letting your creativity flow. Finally, we have the number 0, which amplifies the energies of the numbers it appears with and represents potential and choice. It's like a blank canvas, reminding you that you have the power to create your own reality. When you combine these elements, angel number 830 is a powerful message of empowerment and manifestation. It's telling you to step into your power, embrace your creativity, and trust in the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. It's a reminder that you have everything you need within you to create the life of your dream. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Today is August 30, 2024. And this date holds a special numerological significance, which amplifies the power of 830 even further. Let's break it down. 8 for August plus 30 plus 2024 equals to 2062. Reducing this further, 2 plus 0 plus 6 plus 2 equals to 10. And finally, 1 plus 0 equals to 1. The number 1 signifies new beginnings, leadership, and taking initiative. It's like the universe is giving you a cosmic green light to start fresh. Take charge of your life and manifest your dream. So what does this mean for you? It means that today, August 30, 2024, is a portal of opportunity. It's a day to set powerful intentions, take inspired action, and align yourself with the abundance that the universe has in store for you. To help you harness this incredible energy, I'm going to share a special ritual that you can perform today. The secret 3-coin ritual for attracting money abundance. Now, remember, manifestation isn't just about money. It's about creating a life of abundance in all areas. So while this ritual focuses on financial abundance, you can adapt the visualization and affirmations to attract anything you desire: love, health, success, you name it. Here's what you need to do. Gather 3 coins of any denomination. These represent the trinity of mind, body, and spirit, and their connection to abundance. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This allows you to focus your energy and connect with the universe without distractions. Hold the coins in your hands and close your eyes. Feel their weight, their texture. This grounds you in the present moment and helps you connect with the physical manifestation of abundance. Visualize your financial goals as vividly as possible. See yourself achieving them. Feel the joy and gratitude that comes with it. The more detailed and emotional your visualization, the more powerful it will be. Say the following affirmation 3 times. I am open and receptive to abundance. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Repeat this with conviction and belief. Place the coins in a special place in your home, like a wealth bowl or near your front door. This serves as a physical reminder of your intentions and keeps the energy of abundance flowing in your space. Repeat this ritual every day until your financial goals are manifested. Consistency is key. The more you repeat this ritual, the more you reinforce your intentions and align your energy with abundance. Remember, the universe responds to clarity and belief. So be clear about what you want. Believe that it's possible and take inspired action towards your goals. Also, don't forget to express gratitude for the abundance that is already present in your life. Gratitude amplifies the flow of abundance and opens you up to receive even more. Friends, manifestation is a co-creative process between you and the universe. It's not just about wishing for something and hoping it appears. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. Here are some additional tips to help you manifest your dreams. Clarity is key. Get crystal clear about what you want. Write down your goals, create a vision board, or simply spend time visualizing your desired reality. Feel the feelings. Emotions are powerful manifestors. Cultivate feelings of joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your dreams have already come true. Take inspired action. The universe rewards action. Take small steps every day that move you closer to your goals. Release resistance. Let go of any limiting beliefs or doubts that may be blocking your manifestation. Trust in the universe and your own power. Practice patience and detachment. Manifestation takes time. Trust the process and don't get attached to the outcome. Countless people have shared incredible stories of how angel numbers have guided them and helped them manifest their dreams. From finding their soulmates to landing their dream jobs, angel numbers have played a significant role in their journey. These stories serve as a powerful reminder that we are all connected to the universe and that miracles are possible. To wrap things up, let's do a quick recap. Angel number 830 is a potent message urging you to step into your power, embrace your creativity, and manifest your dream. The numerological significance of August 30th, 2024 further amplifies this energy, making it the perfect time to start taking action. The 3-coin ritual is a simple yet powerful tool to attract financial abundance into your life. But remember, manifestation is a holistic process. It requires a combination of intention, action, belief, and gratitude. I believe in you, and I know that you have the power to create the life you desire. So go out there and make it happen. Now I want to hear from you. Have you experienced any moments with angel number 830 or any other angel numbers in your life? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on manifesting your dream. Also, Check out our next video where we dive into the meanings of other powerful angel numbers. Thanks for watching and keep manifesting your dreams.